Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show about how to go to record macros for our back key to our Machenike G6V2 controller. We have 4 buttons on the back. Okay. We take this one. Take M1 as an example. Okay. We hold down the Fn plus M1. Key combination Fn plus M1. Okay, you can see. The indicator light on the left grip is flashing. This means our M1. Enter a macro recording state. Record the button's inputs you want, based on your needs. Just press it directly. We record an ABXY. Okay, let's press the M1 after that. Press save again. Okay, after saving it. We return to our normal state. At this time, our macro has already been recorded. We can verify it. We press M1. Our controller will output 4 key values one after another, A, B, X, and Y. Okay, our other 3 macro keys. The same way of operating. If we want to clear the macro value here and go record a new one. Let's clear it first, the same operation Fn plus M1. At this time, our indicator light is flashing. Then we press M1 again. Okay, at this time, the key values recorded in the M1 before has been cleared. Then let's take a look. Let's press M1 again. Okay, we are pressing M1 at this time and there is no response because we've cleared their key values. Then we just need to enter a new key value. If we don't use it, just keep it clear. Okay, that's all of the use of macro recording.